Connor Bruggemann is a 16-year-old from Bergen County who has done what is the unthinkable. He saved up all of his money from a few years of working odd jobs. He had saved about $10,000 and his father opened an E-Trade account for him. He managed to, between classes and his free time, using his iPhone, trade penny stocks and turn that $10,000 into $300,000. Now, he has since bought himself a BMW. He has treated his parents and his siblings to new MacBooks, iPads, so he's being generous with his winnings, and we have him in studio via Skype to tell us a little bit how he managed to do something that adults have been trying to do for a very long time. Thanks for being with us, Connor.
So,
hey,
Connor,
thank you for having me.
All right, so Connor, what is your trick? What's the secret? Everybody watching wants to know.
Yeah, I actually traded my $10,000 into over $90,000 December of last year, and for 3 months I traded $91,000 all the way down to $52,000. So lost almost 40% of my account right there, and basically knew I needed to get a refined strategy, and really just started to study and work on my strategy, and then turn that $52,000 into over $300,000.
Did you pick stocks based on how'd you pick them?
From March to now, everything has been a refined strategy. I've made over 1,900 trades. All my trades are verified on Profitly.
What is your strategy?
I look for stocks that are oversold, that there's a lot of sellers there. There's a lot of people short selling these stocks, and they're down 40, 50, 60% off of their highs. And eventually the stock's just going to bounce for 10, 20% move.
Buy low, sell high. It works.
What's next for you?
I plan to go to college. I'm hoping to hear back in the next couple weeks from schools I apply to. But right now I started my company, InvestorsCorner.org, where I post every single trade I make, watch lists, webinars, daily question and answers, just really to teach people my strategies.
Connor, here's the most important question. So how have you spent all that money? You got a new car?
Yeah, I got myself a car, and my family supported me throughout this entire process, and we're a very tight-knit family. So I treat my parents and my brothers, sisters. I take my friends courtside to Nugget Knick games. We sat on the court for the Big East tournament.
Connor, has this helped with the dating scene at all?
Girls are a distraction, so I spend my time working.
I love this guy.
Well said, well
All right,
said.
Connor, listen, before I let you go, I need a couple tips.
Yeah, oil and gold, they're both just getting sold, very oversold, and me and everyone at Investors Corner, we've been swing trading all these oil and gold ETFs, so they're very volatile and a lot of fun to be trading.
All right.
So the
Thank
lesson
you,
is
Connor.
stop dating, and so you can focus and make millions.
Wise words from a young man. Great job, Connor. Congratulations.